Hello friends, welcome to Meethi's Kitchen. Today we are doing another new session which is we have cauliflower and potatoes. So I have one head of cauliflowers, two potatoes and one onion and two crushed tomatoes and also couple tablespoon of cilantro. And also with the other ingredients I have cumin seed 1 tablespoon, 1 bay leaves, 2 cut green chilies, few curry leaves, teaspoon of garlic paste, half of tablespoon of each red chili powder, coriander powder, salt and kasuri methi which is fenugreek leaves. So let's start. First I am adding little bit of more oil because I have to fry this both veggies. So pan is enough hot. First we will fry our potatoes. You will fry potatoes and also cauliflower, so that will bring really great taste. By frying that it will make soft vegetables, and also it will not get like much soggy, like too soft. Veggies needs to be hold their firmness and also taste when we cook. So time to time I always study about lot of vegetables and things like that. So, and I do have some really good source of it to learn myself to continuously improve the quality of cooking. So I really enjoying my cooking and to improve some good qualities. So this is the really best tips to veggies. So friends, you can see that now I have added my cauliflower in it and it's roasting very well. And also you can see I have pulled out the potatoes, and potato is very good fried. So we will let couple minutes for the cauliflower. So friends, now we have fried our cauliflower and potatoes. So we will at this point we will add garlic, With this tomato puree, we will add these all dry ingredients. So friends, you can see that now our spices roasted very well. So at this point we will add our fried veggies. So you can see that friends, our shark turned very good. It's really great. So at this point I will turn off stove and we will add some cilantros. And mix well. Now I will add it to the serving bowl. So by frying these potatoes and cauliflower, you can see that stands very much like a whole. It don't get much soggy, and also you can see potatoes and cauliflower. So if you follow these recipes, you will really love that and you will enjoy this. And I always try to make the different recipes, the same ingredients but the different ways, and something like you can add or you can delete, but some of the turns very well. So I want you to please share these recipes with your friends, family, that might help to someone. And thank you again for watching these all videos. I really appreciate bottom of my heart. I will be back again with the simple recipes. Until then, have a blessed day.